In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a profit calculator on AI Notion. To start, head over to notion.so and sign into your account. Once you're in your workspace, open Notion AI. You can launch it from the AI tools in your sidebar or wherever you access AI features in your setup. In the prompt box, simply type profit calculator. Keep it short and clear. Notion AI understands this request well. When you submit that prompt, Notion AI will suggest either a ready-made template or a simple database. Both options get you to the same place, but we're going to go with the database because it's lightweight, flexible, and perfect for quick calculations. Go ahead and select the database option when it appears. Notion AI will generate a new page for you. Open your newly made profit calculator, and you'll see a table that typically includes a column for your cost, another for your selling price, and a formula column that calculates profit automatically. If the AI names things a little differently, that's okay. You can rename columns to cost, selling price, and profit so they're easy to recognize. It also helps to set cost and selling price to a currency format so your numbers are clear at a glance. Now enter your details. Type your cost in one row, your selling price in the same row, and watch as the profit column updates instantly. The calculation usually subtracts cost from selling price, giving you your margin in real time. If you add more rows, you can track multiple products or scenarios side by side. Great for comparing options or planning new offers. If you notice the numbers don't look right, double check that you've placed each value in the correct column and that the columns are formatted as numbers or currency. That simple check prevents most common mistakes. You can also add notes in an extra column to remind yourself about suppliers, discounts, or other details that influence your pricing. A quick tip, if you need to account for extra factors like taxes, shipping, or fees, you can ask Notion AI within the same page to adjust the formula for you. For example, it can help you add a fee percentage or a fixed cost line, all without rebuilding your table from scratch. And that's it. By using Notion AI to create a simple database, then entering your cost and selling price, your profit is calculated automatically. Clean, fast, and accurate every time.